Where does the name for Llanrhos come from? Today we're in Llanrhos. It's a small settlement between Deganwy, Llandudno and Llanrhos or Rhos-on-Sea in Conwy County. Now the name of Llanrhos is made of two parts. First we have Llan, which comes from Proto-Celtic landor, and it means an area of land or a settlement attached to a church. The second part is Rhos. Now, usually Rhos means a heath or a moor, but here it refers to the name of the cantref of the area. A cantref was a little bit like a county, but a lot smaller, and was commonly used in pre-conquest Wales. So the church that the settlement's named after is this church here, St Hilary's, though it was originally St Mary's. The church was built here in the 6th century by Maelgwn Gwynedd originally, but it was destroyed at some point and then rebuilt in the 1280s by monks from the Cistercian monastery in Aberconwy. A bit later on it was destroyed, then rebuilt again in the 1800s, which is the current church today. So literally it means the settlement attached to the church in the cantref of Rhos. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Subscribe for more, give us a like and a share, and if you want to support me on my pilgrimage, my quest to explain every single place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon. You can find the link in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.